When building a model of the world, be aware of overfitting. Any statistical model or machine learning model can be overfitted, and that in itself is a problem, but also it can amplify some of the issues you're having with that model. It's very easy to learn that historical discrimination, to encode that bias in your training. Then remember, in learning something, you're observing something, and in observing something, you change the thing that you're observing, potentially. And additionally, be aware of proxy variables. For example, BMI, body mass index, standing for health, or IQ standing for economic capacity. And then, of course, mere correlation, being confused for actual causation. And then possibly the crux of this issue, too many variables, too much complexity, too many parameters. But let's not forget also that it's very, very easy to learn aspects of the training environment and the training rather than the thing you're training on itself. So you can develop training scars. You've picked up too much detail, maybe detail from the classroom itself, or the laboratory, or the training ground, or the practice range, or the dojo, or the environment in which you are learning within, or from the teacher, or the teacher's biases. If you're a machine learning model, closed loop algorithms can emerge and real world prejudices and fallacies can be amplified. It's a bit like when we're bogged down by too much detail, or we get bound up or tied up in all the various different threads of the thing we're trying to learn. You end up paralysed, caught in the web of information. You lose all mental agility. There's no way to adapt your thinking. You're all mentally trussed up. There's also that sense that you've learnt the drill, but not the reason for the drill. The lesson has been drilled into you, the actions have been drilled into you, but you don't really understand why. If you think about it, this is often the case with metrics within businesses and organisations. The why of the metric, the reason for the measuring, is often lost. One more example. How about that resume that's too long, too wordy, too detailed, and you'd have been better off allowing the hiring manager to read between the lines? You'd have got further through the selection process.
A broad brush can capture the essential essence,